Here starts the Kasara Ghat. अरे हो ट्रक ठोकला एकमेकांना हे बघ चिटकलेत दोघं 7 वाजता पाऊस एक्सपेक्टेड होता काय माहिती काय झालं हां there are very less videos wherein people have shown that how to make it rain proof. If you like to ride in rainy season, your GoPro can be a rain proof device for you. Welcome you all to my YouTube channel once again. So today we are going to talk about the helmet setup for GoPro. So for that, which accessories are required and how to set up your helmet for motovlogging. So let's get started. चलिए शुरू करते हैं. Oh, sorry, this is not my dialogue. So jokes apart, let's get started. This is a GoPro. This is a GoPro Hero 8, and this comes out of box waterproof. So this is waterproof. So here you can see everything is sealed, and this is waterproof. Now, if you remove this door, so this is not waterproof, and you'll have to remove this door from your GoPro to make it work with the microphone adapter. And if you want to record your voice, then you'll have to remove this door, and now this becomes less waterproof. Now this is not a waterproof, not less, but this is not a waterproof at all. Now the very first accessory to mount your GoPro on your helmet is the Ulanzi case. This is the Ulanzi case which you can mount on your helmet, and before mounting this you would require one more accessory, that is the mount itself. How you will mount it on your helmet. So how you are going to mount it on your helmet, this case. So for that, this is the mount which you can use from Blue Armor. So this is a quite sturdy adhesive mount which you can use on your helmet. So we'll keep this aside for now, and we'll talk about the accessories. So first accessory I have shown you, that is Ulanzi case, which is this G89. This is the model name, and this is specially created for GoPro Hero 8 vlogging setup. Now the second accessory is this mic adapter. So now you'll be asking me, what is this, what all this taping you have done on your case and the mic adapter. Yes, I'll be talking about this. This will be very interesting, so just keep watching this video till end. I'll be talking about this very soon after showing you all the accessories. So once you have got this mic adapter, then you will require a microphone itself. So microphone, so this is a microphone which I am using, and this is working absolutely fine, so no problems till now for this. So you will get adapter with this as well, so which is required to record your voice via GoPro. Then you would require a J mount to mount it on your helmet, and you will require a mount, pivot mount, to make the camera facing towards the scenery more and not towards your bike. So this will be required. So I'll show you how to mount this and how this helps you. So this is the case, and then if you don't want to attach any kind of a mic or any kind of case, then you can use this protective case, silicone protective case, for your GoPro. So this will be an additional accessory. There is one more important accessory, that is to charge your GoPro. So this is a dual battery charger for GoPro. So you can charge 2 batteries at a time. This comes with USB Type C and micro USB both. so you can charge 2 batteries at a time. So there is one more accessory that you can get. So this is the accessory which you can attach on your helmet. So but this will create problem if you have a chin curtain on your helmet. So I would suggest to go with the Blue Armor camera mount. So that is very good. I have used it in rain, all weather it is. So this is very sturdy and it is not going to get removed from your helmet. And now coming towards this, what I have done this. So this will make your GoPro water resistant. So how I have done that, and what else is required to make it rain resistant. So rain proof you can make it. Once you put your GoPro, in this case this is not waterproof anymore, so you'll have to do some jugaad to make it rain proof, so you can motovlog anytime in the rainy season as well. So for that you will require the Blu-Tack. So this is the product which you can use to make it rain proof. So watch how I am going to make it rain proof. So once you remove this door, battery door and memory card door, so just keep it aside. We will not require this, but just keep it safe, because this costs you a lot, so don't lose it. And once you remove that battery door, just put it into this case. So how will put it? So just remove this back door of the Ulanzi case. So back door is removed. Then open the door which is given on the Ulanzi case. So you can open this door anytime you want. Even when you are traveling, you want to remove your battery and then put it back again, so you can just remove this door and put your battery and go. So put your GoPro inside, then close this door, so you'll hear a click sound. So once you put it in, so just close this back door to make it more secure. Once you put it, then again you will hear a click sound. Then put your adapter, mic adapter, which is required to record your voice. So this is your motovlogging setup and this is ready. So you can now mount it with J mount on your helmet. So once this is done, just put in your mic adapter like this, and then you can attach your mic here, and this is now ready for motovlogging. So how I have made this rain proof. Blu-Tack is something like this, so you can use Blu-Tack. So I'll just open it and show you. So this is a Blu-Tack material. This is a non-toxic material and very safe to use, so you can use it on your GoPro. So you need to just make sure that water does not go from here, from the mic adapter and from the upper side of this door. So from here water does not go inside, so you need to seal this part, then mic part, and from back door there is some part you need to just seal it with this. So very small amount is required, and this is reusable, and you can put this on this just by putting pressure, and then you are good to go. Now our device is water resistant and ready. So I have attached Blu-Tack here, so you can attach Blu-Tack here, then on the door as I said earlier, and on the back side of the door here you can attach Blu-Tack. So now this is ready and water resistant. And coming towards this part and this part, so I have used mobile screen guard. I have cut it in square shape and attached it here with the help of tapes to reduce water seepage from this end. And then I have attached small piece of plastic on the mic adapter as well to protect it from water. So now this is water resistant, and yes, there is one more important accessory which you can buy for GoPro Hero 8 is the screen guard and the lens guard. So this 1, 2 and 3 parts of your camera can be protected with the screen guards. So I have given link in the description below for all the products which I have shown in this video, so you can buy them by clicking on those links. So this is how the helmet looks like after mounting the camera. So here is the J mount, and upon that there is a pivot mount, and here is the setup. So after attaching Blu-Tack, I am testing this in rain. So I have attached Blu-Tack to make it little more water resistant. Blu-Tack cannot make it waterproof. Also I am using Ulanzi case, which will not make it waterproof. Ulanzi case is for your convenience to keep camera and adapter at one place, and then for using Ulanzi case you have to remove the original shutter door given by GoPro, which makes it waterproof, and you have to remove it to attach the mic and the mic adapter. So on a Ulanzi case I have attached Blu-Tack to make it little more water resistant. So this is rain proof, this is not waterproof, so we are not going to put it into the water. So we just have to make sure that water does not go inside battery or memory card slot. Hopefully recording comes out to be good. Let's see. That is it for this video. Thank you for watching, and subscribe to my channel.